Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, nvlddmkm.sys and video TDR failure blue screen error. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters. Right-click, click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for updated driver software. Click Close and exit Device Manager. Second step is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type Power CFG, space. -H space off. Type Exit, exit from command prompt. Final step is, type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Power Options. Click Change Plan Settings. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand Wireless Adapter Settings. Click and expand Power Saving Mode. Select Maximum Power Saving. Click Apply, OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.